Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce our latest robotic arm, X-Arm, which is researched and developed by our own company. In order to help our robotic arm more intelligent, we developed a brand new smart serial bus servo and then applied it to our robotic arm. So what are the new functions of this kind of serial bus servo? Let me tell you. First, this intelligent serial bus servo has a feedback function. It can perform position feedback, voltage feedback, and temperature feedback. We added an RGB indicator to our robotic arm so that it can emit different colors at work, which can help us better understand its working condition. Second, this serial bus servo can be set different parameters, including ID number, servo rotation range, servo work mode, servo deviation, adjustment, and etc., which all can be set by yourself. Third, this intelligent serial bus servo can be connected up and down through dual ports. Due to the reduction of the area occupation of the serial ports, our robotic arms will be looked more concise and beautiful. And as for X-Arm's body, we use 6 smart serial bus servos, which has greatly enhanced the performance of our X-Arm. So how about its appearance? The linkage, mechanism, structure designs, and oxidation sandblasting surface treatment make our arm body more eye-pleasing. Every detail of our X-Arm is very friendly and do not harm to our human health. We also use 4 suction cups to our robotic arm so that it can firmly absorb on the smooth desktop. Meanwhile, we can also use a computer or mobile phone app to control our X-Arm. It can automatically store the data for each joint. And we can also use a wireless handle or mouse to remote control our X-Arm, which means our gameplay can be more plentiful. So here's our X-Arm's packaging box. Now let's come to the detailed parts of it. After opening our X-Arm's box, you can see all the other components are well protected by a sponge. Now let's come and have a look. This one is power adapter, and this is mechanical gripper matched with number 1 servo. So how about the other servos? They are well placed in this area, from number 2 to number 6 servo. What I would like to say is that the servo horn has already been fixed in number 3, number 4, number 5 servo, which facilitates your assembling process. This one is wireless handle, and this is screwdriver. Here's our X-Arm's controller, and these are X-Arm's brackets. You can see there are some suction cups, servo wires, and some metal plates are well placed in this place. Okay, so much for our today's introduction. I really hope you can gain a great pleasure from our X-Arm. In the next episode, I would like to show you how to assemble our X-Arm. See you next time!